If you're considering the Schwab mobile app for managing your finances, there are 12 things you need to know before diving in. While Schwab is one of the most well-known names in financial services, it's important to weigh its strengths and weaknesses, especially when compared to competitors like Fidelity, Robinhood, and E-Trade. Let's take a quick look at what you need to know before deciding if it's the right choice for you. The first thing you'll notice about Schwab Mobile is its user-friendly interface. The app is designed with simplicity in mind, making it easy to check balances, review transactions, and make trades. This puts it ahead of some other apps that can feel cluttered or confusing. But while the design is straightforward, it's not quite as sleek or polished as other top-tier competitors like E-Trade. Next thing to keep in mind is the range of services Schwab offers directly in the app. From stock trading to retirement account management and even investment research, it's a one-stop shop for a lot of your financial needs. But compared to apps like Robinhood, which are known for their simplicity in trading, Schwab's app does have a steeper learning curve. The third thing to consider is Schwab's customer support. Schwab has an extensive network of support through its app, including chat, phone support, and a comprehensive FAQ. This is a big win for those who might need extra help. It does, however, require a bit more interaction than something like Fidelity's app, which has more intuitive, self-serve options. The fourth thing is Schwab's commission-free stock and ETF trading, which makes it an attractive option for those who want to keep costs low. If you're comparing to Robinhood, Schwab's trading fees are very competitive, and the app offers more robust research tools. Fifth, Schwab offers seamless integration with its bank accounts. You can easily transfer money between your brokerage and checking accounts directly from the app. This can be a huge convenience, but if you're comparing it to something like E-Trade, Schwab's banking features aren't as comprehensive. Now, the sixth thing is Schwab's investment research tools. If you're looking for deep, detailed research, Schwab's app doesn't disappoint. It offers reports, news, and a variety of educational resources. However, some competitors like Fidelity might have a slight edge in terms of the breadth and depth of research tools offered. The seventh thing is the retirement planning features. If you're looking for a way to manage your 401k or IRAs, Schwab offers excellent options with access to detailed reports and retirement calculators. But if you're mainly interested in short-term trading, this might feel a bit overkill. The eighth thing to mention is Schwab's mobile security features. It offers two-factor authentication and biometric login, which adds an extra layer of security to your financial information. While not unique, this is on par with what you get from other major apps like Robinhood and Fidelity. The ninth thing is Schwab's educational content. Whether you're a beginner or a more seasoned investor, Schwab offers a lot of resources, from video tutorials to detailed articles. However, some apps like E-Trade and Robinhood offer better in-app educational experiences that are easier to digest. The 10th thing is that Schwab's app tends to run a bit slow at times. While it's not the worst, there have been some reports of delays when making trades or loading new information. Competitors like Fidelity and E-Trade generally provide a faster experience. The 11th thing is Schwab's ability to track your spending. Through the app's budgeting tools, you can get a better sense of where your money is going. While useful, it's not quite as comprehensive or intuitive as what you'd find in a dedicated budgeting app like Mint or Personal Capital. Lastly, Schwab offers a great mobile experience for long-term investors. Whether you're looking to build a diversified portfolio or manage retirement funds, Schwab Mobile offers plenty of tools to help. But if you're looking for a simple, no-frills trading app, something like Robinhood might be a better fit. In conclusion, Schwab Mobile is a solid choice if you're looking for a comprehensive financial app. It offers a lot of features, especially for retirement planning and stock trading, but there are some areas where competitors might be a better fit, depending on your needs. If you're looking for something even better, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.